Okay, I'm doing this to help some other people that may be having this issue with the Cobalt. Mine's a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. So it's when you go to turn your key, the lights all come on except for the check engine light. I've had it fixed now. So before, that little check engine light was not coming on. So that's a sign to tell you it's probably your computer that you need to replace in your car, because the computer is not telling this something's wrong and you can't get a code. So before, when I would turn the key, that was not there, and just the flashing and no trying to turn over anything. We had a lot of rain in May where we live. So at first, like, I went out to my car in the morning, wouldn't turn over, so they jumped it and it started fine. But when I left work, it wouldn't jump anymore. So I left it there at work, got a connection, because the connection there on the battery, which the battery's in the trunk of this car, the connection, I was hoping a $2 fix, it'd start right up, jumping it again, and no, that didn't work. So my husband took the battery out, took it to a store. They checked it, said the battery was bad, so we replaced the battery. Still, it would not start. So then under here, you can see it's a fuse box, little fuse thing on the front there. You can check your fuses to see if it's the starter fuse, which is one of the videos we saw on YouTube. It wasn't that, which was going to be like a $20-something part at the store. The battery was about $130. The connection was just a few dollars to the battery that was corroded. So since it wasn't that, we started thinking, by watching stuff and researching and talking to people, it might be the starter. Well, the starter on this car is under the car. So if you have a way to jack up your car, get up under there and get to the starter, it's underneath, and you have to have special sockets to reach to it to take it out. But first, check the connection to the starter, because it could be corroded just like the one to the battery. And if you just clean it off, you may be lucky and reconnect it and it works. If not, it could be the starter or the solenoid on the starter. But anyway, it ended up being the computer in my car, which is right under here. My husband pulled it out, took it to the You Pull It place here in town. This is the one that was in my car. So this is what it looks like under that piece of plastic. That's the computer. So he was lucky enough to find one that worked. So when he came and put it in the car, we started seeing the check engine light was on, which was not on before. So then he called the lock guy that we had come out before, because we thought maybe the key just needed to be reprogrammed after, you know, the power being off, or, you know, somehow the key gets to where it's not programmed to your car anymore. That's one thing it could be. That wasn't the case in ours. And even with the new computer, the guy couldn't program a new key to this used computer, which works fine, thank you, from the You Pull It place. So we had to have it taken to the dealership, the Chevy dealership, and they were able to pair it up. They're able to program to the car to this computer. If you can see this, I mean, that's what they had to do. And how much it costs, $269. So yeah, they had to reprogram my car to this different computer, as well as with the key. So if that helps anybody at all, I hope so. Process of elimination, you pretty much have to be an investigator to get this fixed. But yay, I'm happy to say my car is now starting. And yes, here in Oklahoma, it's 103 degrees right now while I'm filming this. Isn't that awesome? But yes, my car starts. Thank you.